Yeah. That was Sugar. All right. So Likkle Einsteins Save the Beach is an epic adventure powered by the imagination of Caribbean children who are on a mission to use STEM to solve environmental problems. Here to tell us more is author and founder of the STEM Builders Learning Hub Limited, Kavelle Hylton. Hey, Kavelle, morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you. And this is a great discussion coming off our discussion earlier with NEPA about restoring and maintaining Hellshire. So first of all,
Yes.
what inspired you to write this?
Well, I actually live 15 minutes away from the beach, Hellshire. And, it's one of the places that I visit to just kind of have that downtime and relax. I also have a son, and we often would go to the beach on a Sunday and things like that. So this is actually a real life situation that I encounter because wanting to enjoy the beach, but having all the plastic and everything there, it's quite difficult. And so this is something that I really think that we need to address. And education is one way that we can do that, and we have to start by educating our children.
All right, what age group are we hoping will enjoy this book? And I feel like it's a book for the child and the parent because I see
Yes.
terms such as hypotheses and so on in it. And I said, okay, even though it's explained in the book, is it something for the child to read on their own, or is it a family activity?
It can be both. Definitely, it can be a family activity where students can actually carry out these scientific experiments and activities. But don't underestimate the youngsters as it relates to
I don't at all.
hypotheses.
I don't at all.
Yeah, it's actually a part of their curriculum, even from the kinder to the primary level as it relates to the scientific process. That's a part of the NSC curriculum and the
Right.
STEM approach. So it's not out of their range, but definitely we want them to start getting interested in science. And for the kids, once you explain it to them, you let them understand how it works, they are usually quite receptive.
Yeah, what I liked about it is I think sometimes we make science seem foreign to children, and science is around us every day. It's in everything we do. And so I find that the book identifies the things that the children can connect with and that they can do. Now, there are some things in the book when I read it, I thought, does this really work? Like the invisible ink using the baking soda. Does it really work? Like, can I go do it? Will it work?
Yes, and you'll probably get a chance to do it today. So
Okay.
you have the materials to try it. Oh, yes, it really works.
Okay.
So all of our experiments and activities, they have been tested. You can also purchase one of our Likkle Einstein box, which I just saw being displayed, and it contains all the materials and ingredients for you to carry out these science experiments. So your Likkle
Oh.
Einstein can pretty much join the club, put
Oh.
on their lab coat and goggles, and as you mentioned, it's about making science fun for children, developing that interest from early in the sciences. And I also love the fact that you talk about it being relatable because we are using authentic activities, authentic learning experiences, and that's what STEM should be about. And it also integrates the different disciplines.
Yeah. So what are some of the things that are in the activity box?
So you have your lab coat, your goggles, you have measuring cylinder, beaker, and you have all the ingredients. To talk about baking soda just now,
Yeah.
and all the materials that you will need to carry out about 3 to 4 activities. You also have our learning guide, which will give you step-by-step instructions to carry the process. So you can make it a family affair and, video what you do. I have students, for example, in the summer that, they participate and their parents are just right there with them doing the
Yeah.
robotics and everything else.
No, it's
So
fun.
it really,
It's fun.
truly
It
is
really is fun.
it's really fun.
Yeah,
Yes.
and one of the things I liked about it as well is that it was helping the children to realize that they can be part of a bigger thing, that they can be
Yes.
part of solving environmental issues, they can be a part of making their communities better. And so it's not just about the knowledge that they have, but how it can change the world. And I thought that was so cool. Where can they
Yes.
find the book?
So the Kindle version is available on Amazon. The paperback will be available later this week on Amazon as well. You can also give me a call at 846-4082. You can visit our website to pre-order the book as well. That's www.stembuildersjm.com. And feel free to reach out to us on our social media platform at stembuildersjm.com.
Yeah, I want to big up, is it Tulip Studio Illustrators?
Yeah.
The great illustrations. I loved it. So it's colorful, and that's what I liked about it. It's STEM, but it's colorful, it's fun, it's relatable, and I think the children are gonna love it. Congrats.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, stick around. Nebula and I are gonna try and see if we can turn ourselves into some big Einsteins. This one's the little one, so don't go too far off. And founder of the STEM Builders Learning Hub Limited, Kavelle Hylton. We make a STEM-inspired fun stop after the break, but that's off the shelf.